Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to design a card system. Actually, a card system is I was seen in the Java when we prepare a system. It was depend on the card layouts. So I on that time I think that this design in the Windows form also. So let's look a scene of the card system, or you can say multiple pages on the single form design. When we click on the next, then appear the second panels with the help of the panels. Okay, so I have a panel control. There is a first panel actually exist for your it's a label control, and the text of the label control is the first panel. Okay, and the same size of the panel control is there. Okay, now again add the second label control, and the label is second panel. Okay, so overlapped it. This panel is overlapped to other panel. Okay, with the same size. So here we have two panel. Similarly, we can design for the multiple panels 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So I have two button. That is first button. That is previous. You can say pre, and copy and paste for the next button. Okay, click on the pre button as well as on the there is button 1 and next button. Oops, there is something change in the next two because it's also called the first button. No. Button 1 click, and now the button 2 is click. Okay, now manually we can design it. Control C, button 2 click. Okay, let's have to check it again. Now come to the part here we have two panel control. So add panel, because panel I have a class of the panel. So panel 1, or you can say list of panels, new list of panel. The index number is also there, so index, integer index, number of the panel control of index number of panel. Okay, when form is initialized, so click on the form also. When form is load, then add both panel 1 and panel 2 in the panel control. So change the name is list panel. Okay, so list panel dot add what, panel 1. Similarly, list panel dot add panel 2. Okay, now when we click on the button 1, then what happened? Then I want to display the next one. So in the basis of index number, index of the number of the panel, is greater than 0, then what? Then add list of panel minus index of panel dot bring to front, and there is 1. Similarly, we can the same thing we can do in the second button. Okay, in the second button, first to check index number, there is the second button is list of panel count. So list panel dot count minus 1. Okay, and then what we can do is increment by 1, because this is the second button, sorry, second panel. So here is, so we have the, if we can do in the third for count minus 1 is the same thing, and the plus plus is also, so this is the same thing we can do for the next. Okay, now start it. So here we have second button only, so select the second button, and when we select on the previous, then first panel is appear, second panel is appear, first panel is appear, and second panel is appear. Okay, so first to add 2 panel and separate it again there is, and overlap it, first and second button, and there is a code. So thank you very much for watching this.